This is the Grohe Minter Kitchen Tap, a blend of premium performance and sophisticated style. With its generous high C-shaped spout, it has never been easier to wash or fill even the largest pots. The tap turns smoothly through 360 degrees and has a pull-down shower head to maximize the operating area. And it offers a fine spray jet and powerful shower jet for complete cleaning control. Thanks to the Grohe Easy Dock system, the shower head automatically retracts neatly into the spout. This stylish tap also has our Grohe Silkmove ceramic cartridge for precise water control, a gleaming scratch-resistant Grohe Starlight chrome finish, speed clean anti-lime scale nozzles, and an easy installation system. And you can be certain of the outstanding Grohe quality, all backed up by our 5-year warranty. Grohe Minter products for the kitchen are available in a variety of styles and features. Grohe Minter Kitchen Taps. It's time to add sophisticated form and functionality to your kitchen.